go out of the line many times. And the line was
すごいよ。
very big in some places. So we're doing the same way. You push and knock out myself and Super-san. We try our maximum. Honestly, it's been an amazing weekend in Japan. As like I said, we have extremes every year. Last year, crazy. All this year, basically swimming around the track. But I enjoy Super again. I will do that again. And victory is still a reason for me. So give me one more.